Good morning, everyone. The price of natural gas has been in a serious decline for the last 2 months, peaking on the 20th of June, and it's down just over 30%. You can see on the 30th of June, peaked at $4.15, 16, and look where it is today. It's down, wow, down 33, 34%, and right down there on the lows. But is it getting ready for a turn? If we draw some charting patterns, we can see that it's in a falling wedge pattern. And a falling wedge pattern is typically a bullish pattern. You can see the wedge is squeezing. We'll zoom back a little bit on the chart just so it looks a little bit more obvious, the pattern that it's in. And we can see as the price has been making lower lows, the momentum indicators have not. They've been holding or making higher lows. And have a look at how many touches we've seen now in this trend. Now, I know this is a shorter term chart. Shorter term charts, like an 8 hour time frame, doesn't tend to be as reliable as a daily or a weekly. But we can see the pattern it's in. We can see the positive divergence. So as the price makes lower lows, MACD and RSI making higher lows. We know with a degree of probability that a falling wedge pattern is typically bullish. A 33% decline in the space of 2 months. That's quite a large decline. So for my clients and I, I've been shifting some of our gold and silver over into a commodities fund that does have some allocation to natural gas. Again, I don't know if that's appropriate for you, but if we're just looking at the chart there, and of course, if we go to a 5 year chart, we can see that's the little section we were looking at there. But if we take the spike highs in, well, that was 3 years ago now, August 2022, we can see the prices are down over 70%. So natural gas appears to be at, if you look around at other commodities, look at gold, silver, look at what the copper price has done, for example, natural gas and oil seem to be the cheapest of the major commodities, and certainly makes sense for my clients and I to switch a bit of money from our gold and silver that's performed well and over into natural gas. Not directly, it's a little bit risky, but buying some broader funds that are well diversified and trying to take advantage of these price discounts. It looks like on the short-term chart we may see a bounce or an ending of the short-term downtrend in natural gas. Time will tell. We'll revisit in a future video. Thanks for listening. Cheers.